Hey guys, check out these awesome flap disc wheels I have here from AKSC. It's nice, it has all the specs right on the front of the wheel. It's got a 5/8 inch arbor, 13,300 max RPM. All right, now to install these things, I just push this button back here. Just locks it right there. Take it and thread it right on. And ready to go again. Very little downtime in getting these wheels changed out and on and off. Super easy. They do come with an extra fitting if you need it for your grinder too. Here's how it works on wood. You can see it hogs that out of there in a hurry. Really happy with these grinding wheels and I recommend them. Thanks for watching.